This is a new 2017 Ford Escape. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, internet connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, remote start, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Sturman and Larkin Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 900 Regis Avenue, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania 15236.